Hey guys, the first benchmark score of the OnePlus 12 is out, and this is the test with 12GB of RAM model, and the score is 2.11 million. So the 24GB model be ever better. And the 3 day ago OnePlus event, OnePlus showed the first look of the OnePlus 12 and also some details about the display. So the OnePlus 12 and OnePlus AC3 is coming soon, and there is no doubt about it. The company confirmed that the OnePlus 12 comes with 6.82-inch 2K resolution 120Hz LTPO BOE X1 OLED display. The phone peak brightness is now 3000 nits is 2600 nits peak brightness with narrowest frame 1.1mm, and the display also the power consumption reduced by 18% and the view angle increased by 30% compared to the OnePlus 11, and the phone also used the new generation LTPO technology. And on the other hand, the OnePlus AC3 or OnePlus 12 are using OVE 1.5K OLED display. Of course, the phone comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and LPDDR5X 24GB of RAM and up to 1TB storage with UFS 4.0 storage, and the phone also comes with the USB 3.2 port. The OnePlus 12 also featuring a triple camera setup in the back, the 50MP main sensor who is Sony IMX966, and also according the new report, OnePlus also using the Sony new sensor as a primary sensor, Sony IMX989, 48MP ultra wide who is Sony IMX586, and the first time OnePlus using 64MP telephoto periscope zoom lens who is OB64B and is support 3x optical zoom and up to 120x digital zoom, and the battery is also slightly bigger. It comes with 5400 mAh battery and it support 100W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. So what's the price OnePlus 12? All the new display, camera, SoC and the battery upgrades, OnePlus 12 is going to launch maybe $800. So let me know your thought in the comment section about the OnePlus 12, and thanks for watching, and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.